How to delete your Fiverr account. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete your Fiverr account. Deleting your Fiverr account is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Fiverr app. Launch the Fiverr app on your mobile device. Log in. Ensure you are logged into your Fiverr account you wish to delete. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon usually located at bottom right corner of the screen. Go to settings. Tap on the gear icon usually found in the top right corner. Account deactivation. In the setting menu, navigate to the account section. Tap on account deactivation. Deactivate account. You will be prompted to provide a reason for deactivation. Choose an appropriate reason from the drop-down menu. Optionally, you can provide additional details in the text box. Confirm deactivation. Tap on the deactivate account button to confirm the deletion of your account. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.